All right, guys. So you see that theory A is like chapter 3, nothing new. Theory B, it's actually the same, finding x and y interceptions. But let me do this together with you. So let's say you have a parabola. And if you understand this, then I think you make your test actually pretty well. But if not, then you didn't get this exercise. So A, B, this is the graph. F, here is C. The top will be here, but we're not going to use the top. There's also a function given. The function is x to the power of 2 minus x minus 6. How can we find the x interceptions? Well, let's see. X interceptions. What was that again? X interception means y is 0. So you get the equation. What do you get? 0 equals x to the power of 2 minus x minus 6. Because actually here is written y equals x squared minus x minus 6. And this is something you know. So for y, we fill in 0. Solve this equation. Let's think. There's a 1 here that we don't write. You know this one, guys. Think with me. X and x. What should we write over here and over there? Let's think. Pause the video and try to figure it out for yourself, please. It's going to be positive 2 and negative 3 because 2 times negative 3 is minus 6 and 2x, 2 minus 3 is negative 1. You get x plus 2 is 0, x minus 3 is 0, x will be negative 2 or x will be positive 3. Yeah, positive 3. So the coordinates will be negative 2, 0, and 3, 0. Look at the graph. Could be negative 2 over here, 3 over there. How can we find the y-interception? Y-interception, when you have a quadratic form like this, it is always, this is something it is always the c. The c in this case is minus 6. So the y-interception is going to be 0 minus 6. If you want to do a check, you know what to do. Fill in x is 0. Let's fill it in. You get a function value of 0, 0 squared minus 0 minus 6. Okay, grab the calculator, negative 6. Then you've done the check. So one more time, x-interceptions means filling y is 0. Y-interception means x will be 0. In this form, it's always the c. That is always the y-interception. How can we find the top? We talked about this. You got this. Go find the top by yourself, okay? When you're done, by the way, you can work on 9, 10, and 11. Let me see. Yeah, it's basically just a repetition of chapter 3.